Each year, hundreds of thousands of entertainment and sports events, theater shows, and concerts take place worldwide. The size of the ticket market worldwide is estimated by over $200 billion per year. Traditionally, ticket prices are fixed and known in advance and are determined on the basis of past experience or are a comparison to competitive events. Typically, the sale of all tickets ends when the tickets are sold out or when the event begins. The major problem with the existing pricing method is that the event organizer doesn't know what the true value of the tickets is. Consequently, the ticket price does not fulfill its potential. When tickets are overpriced by the event organizer, some will remain unsold. However, when the organizer underprices the tickets, they are quickly sold out or purchased by scalpers, who later sell the tickets for higher prices. Both cases result in lower profits for the event organizers. The SeatPark system can accurately determine in advance the price that clients are willing to pay for every seat in the venue throughout the wholesale process. How does it work? The SeatPark system is an advanced information system based on a set of algorithms that continuously calculates the relevant data on each event, such as the amount of tickets sold, the number of clients interested in purchasing a ticket, the changing purchasing trends over time, and the characteristics of each venue. SeatPark analyzes this data and determines the ideal price. The SeatPark system provides a complete solution for a wide variety of ticket vending channels through the internet, by phone, via box offices, and more. While selling tickets with a fixed price tag generates limited revenues, using the SeatPark system can greatly increase revenue. Event organizers and box offices can directly sell tickets through the SeatPark system. SeatPark's interface is accessible and easily connects to all the vending systems in use and to all the box offices worldwide.